in Young Living, we have products to support so many different systems and to help lots of different things. And I love that. But there's different things that we have in Young Living that are above and beyond any other company out there. One of those is stress support, emotional and stress support. I think we are so well equipped to support people in that situation. And if people are feeling stressed and are going through things, that's really key. We have amazing products for that. Digestive system, we have amazing products for that. And we're going to go over a lot of those when we get to the digestive system in the series. And so make sure that you reference that when that comes in. That's another system that we have some amazing products for, from our enzymes to our oils to supplements and all the way around. Another one is in structure, like talking about joint support and muscles and things like that. We have a lot of good things. Well, immune system support is one of our areas where we shine above any other company out there, because we have so many different ways to approach supporting the system. But